Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to the right corner button to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now we have to move to left side to settings button to open them, and here we have to slide a little bit down to general settings category. Now at the first position we have shooter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off, and when we go back to the camera, when I take another picture, we can't hear the sound. Of course, when we tap to the right corner button once again, then left settings, again slide down to general category and pick the shooter sound, we can turn it on and hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.